Today we will demonstrate how to install liquid tight flexible conduit and box. These products are liquid tight flexible conduit, waterproof junction box, metal iron box and waterproof connector. The inner wall of the conduit is threaded. The end of the joint is also threaded, so we screw the connector on the pipe. The connection to the box is also the same tightening thread. These accessories can be connected to different boxes. Connect the metal box, and then fix it with the nut that comes with the connector. We have many other products. If you are interested, you can come to our homepage to find the products you need.